Hello. So we're going to just start up Clip Studio Paint. What you open initially is called Clip Studio. Most of you will see this screen when you start up. Click on Draw in the upper left. That will start Clip Studio Paint for us. Now my workspace probably looks very different compared to yours. Clip Studio Paint is pretty customizable, so I've done a lot of things to make sure what I need is always available. Also, if you're on a tablet or smartphone, you may be in simple mode. You'll find that changing to studio mode might make more sense as you're learning some of these things, and then being able to switch back to simple mode as you're working. Let's get rid of this canvas that opened up automatically. I just want to show really quick how to create a new file. And to do that, we're going to go upper left corner, click on File, New. You'll get this pop-up screen. Make sure we're on Illustration as your project type. Here in Presets, I've already got a preset called Digital Art Class. More importantly, I want you to look at these settings for the canvas. We've got 1920 by 1280. The resolution is 300. It's in color. I do have paper color checked, and it's just simply white. And on the bottom of this little pop-up, it says record time lapse. Yours may be off for the moment. Turn it to prioritize quality. That will make it so that the time lapse is automatically started every time you go to work. If you want to save this as a preset, this little icon here, click on it, and you've got Add to Presets. Give it a name and hit OK. I'm just going to cancel that since I've already got the preset. Hit OK, and there is our canvas. So I'm going to do a quick little sketch just so we have something to export as a time lapse. Really quickly, the tool palette, each of these icons is not a tool specifically, more so they are categories of tools. So if I grab the subtool palette and I click on this brush, for example, I might get in the subtool palette a range of brushes. Or if I click on this pencil icon in the subtool palette, I might get a range of pencil type tools. And speaking of the customization, I'm going to drag this tool palette back up to the upper left corner. Notice it's waiting for me to drop it somewhere to anchor it. And I'll just put it right back there where it was. And that is pretty much how easy some of the customization is in Clip Studio Paint. Alright, so again, just going to do a quick sketch. Go to File. The first one is just simply Save. Dialog should pop up. It's saving in the Clip Studio format. And so we'll just call it something like Assignment 1. Next, click on File again. We're going to export as single layer. This is going to be a JPEG. It's kept the Assignment 1 name, this time JPEG instead of a clip file. Just going to hit Save. Now when you do a JPEG export, it does do some odd stuff. I wouldn't worry about any of this. Don't change any of it for now. Just hit OK. It is going to say, here's your preview of what you're exporting. And I'm just going to hit OK. Done. And finally, we need to export our time lapse. So click on File again. Down just about halfway to time lapse. Don't unclick the record. That would be a mistake. Do click on Export Time Lapse. You'll get this little screen that pops up, including a little preview of your video. We're going to leave everything as it is again. You might have some things checked over here on the left, like show Clip Studio Paint logo or watermark. Uncheck these things if you can. If you're running the demo, you may not have the option of removing the logo. And hit OK. Again, the save dialog, assignment 1, and it's an MP4 file. All I've got to do is hit save, and done. We can literally just close Clip Studio Paint and Clip Studio. And now we have 3 files. We have the clip file, the JPEG, and the time lapse.